Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial number 116, and in this tutorial we will convert this orthographic drawing into the 3D model. And you can see that I have already did it, and it is a matching with a isometric view of the drawing, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part. So I will close this file and create a new file and show you from the scratch. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and I will switch to the part design workbench, and here I will create body and then click on create sketch. And first thing which I will do is to create this circular profile. For this I will select this right plane, and I will create two circles. So select the circles and provide the dimensions. So inner one is of 75, so we will select the diameter and provide the inner one 75, and again select the diameter and provide the outer one 115. Let's move the dimensions, and now I will close my profile, and we will create extrusion, and here we will provide the length of 120, and we will make it symmetric to the plane, and click on OK. And now we will create this profile, this L-shaped profile, which we can see here in a side view. So we will switch our model to the isometric, and we will on the visibility, and select the right plane. We will select this mid plane and click on the sketch, and we will go to the model tab and hide the origin plane, and from here we will switch to the wireframe. And first thing which we will do is to project the outer diameter, and here I will create a L-shaped profile. I will delete this too, and again create a rectangle, and I will delete these two lines. And now I will select the line tool, create a vertical line and made it vertical, and here I will select this and this, move it little bit, and select this and this and add a tangency. Select the trim tool and trim it, and here I will create a line, and let's see what is the conflict. Let's say delete. I will create a line, and now I will make this line tangent. Use the trim tool to trim it, and now give the dimensions, delete it. So here we are seeing the vertical constraint, so we will select the vertical, and we will do the 172. Select this horizontal and give it 150.5, and select this and provide it dimension of 42, which we can see here. And we will select this point and this point and add a horizontal dimension of 30. and here we will create a 3-point arc which will be equal to our projected diameter. So we will create an arc, and we will select this and made it equal. So this is our fully constrained profile, and we will extrude it to the distance of 110. So we will come out of the sketch, press V7 for the shaded view, and select the sketch and click on extrude, and provide the distance of 110, and keep it symmetric to the plane, and click on OK. Now we will create this half circle. So for this I will select the face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, click on the project geometry, go to the top view, and from here we will switch to the wireframe, and we will create 3-point arc, and we will select this point and this line and add a coincidence, select radius and provide the radius of 36, and now select the line and close the profile. And here we will delete this conflict constraint, we will close it, press V7 for the shaded view. You can see all the shortcuts here. So here for flat line V7, and we will select the sketch and click on extrude. From here we will select reverse, and from here we will select up to face, and we will select this bottom face. Now this and this seems to be a separate solid, so we will refine the shape. So we will click on last features and refine, set it true, and now we will mirror this on the other side. So we will click on the mirror, and from here we will click on select reference, and we will select this mid plane and click on OK. So this mirror features also seems to be like a separate solid, so we will refine it, set it true. So now you can see that these two have been successfully merged, and now we will create these two boss. We will switch to the isometric, select the face, and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, and we will click on project geometry, project it, and this is of a diameter 60, which we can see here. So we will go to the top view, and from here we will switch to the wireframe, click on the circles, create a circle, go to the diameter and provide it 60, click on OK. We will also create on the other side, click on project geometry, create a circle, and made this and this equal, click on close, press V7, select the sketch, click on extrude, and this is the extrusion of 6 mm, 6, click on OK. Now we will create this rib. So for this we will select our mid plane. So we will select origin plane and press a space bar, and select the sketch, and we will switch to the model tab and toggle the visibility, and we will switch to the wireframe and click on the project geometry, project it, and we will select line tool and create a line, and we will select a fillet and provide the fillet here, and we will select this arc and this line and provide the tangency, and we will select the trim tool to trim it, and this is of diameter 75. Let's give it, and from this point to this point distance is of 75, and horizontal dimension of the center from this to this is of 110. Our sketch is fully constrained. The only thing is remain is our profile is not closed, so we will close it. So first thing which will we do is to create a vertical line, and here we will select a 3-point arc and create an arc, and now we will resolve the conflict. Say delete, or UV key can also deactivate it. So our sketch is fully constrained, and we will extrude it. Click on close, press V7 for the shaded view, select the sketch, click on extrude, and this is the of 26 mm thickness, and from here we will select symmetric to the plane and click on OK. Now we wanted to create this circular profile, so we will on our plane, and again we select the right plane and click on the sketch, and we will switch to the wireframe and click on the project geometry, and we will select the circle tool and create an equal circle, and we will extrude it to the distance of 50 mm. So first we will off the origin plane, press spacebar and press V7 for the shaded view, select the sketch, click on extrude and provide the 50 mm and select symmetric to the plane, click on OK. And here we are seeing the separate edges, so obvious we will refine our features, say refine, set it true. Now we will create the hole. So first hole we will create here. We will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select the circle and create a circle of 45, select diameter and provide it 45, click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude, and from here say it true all, say OK. Now we will create these two holes. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry and create a circle of 25 mm, select the circle, if you are facing any difficulty switch to the wireframe view and select diameter and provide a diameter of 25, select this and made it equal, click on close, press V7, select sketch, click on extrude and from here say it true all. Now press 0 for isometric, and here we have a cut at the bottom side here. So for this we will on our origin plane, and again we select the right plane, click on the sketch and from here we will switch to the wireframe and we will click on the project geometry and we will project these two edges and we will create a rectangle and we will select it and provide the vertical dimension of 6 mm and we will also project this edge and select this point and provide the horizontal dimension, select this and this, and this is of 57.5, click on close, press V7 and here select sketch, click on extrude cut and from here select 2 dimension and we will set it through all, say through all, symmetric to the plane, So you can see that you can also use the two dimensions to provide the two values. Let's see, I provide 120 and 120, or we can use the through all as well. Now press 0. So this is how we have successfully converted this orthographic drawing into the 3D model, and you can see that we have successfully did it. And I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed it, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on a coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on a FreeCAD. Link is given in a video description. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.